Hilakon kaayo, lalaki manunta.
Ang saman sad na siya manuot, uy. Kaitom niya, ay.
Dili man na ngayon babae mabos kay emosyonal man kaayo.
Those are just some of the harsh words that society throws on us. But why? Why do we see people for labels but not for who they really are? We hear those words daily, boy.
I am a man. I cry. I feel emotion.
I dress to speak for myself, not to impress anyone. I am a woman, and I can lead. I'm sad. I'm flawed, but I'm beautiful. Because no matter how different we are equal.
We may be different, but everyone has the right to feel.
We may be different, but the difference is what shapes us.
We may be different, but that doesn't mean our ability has limits.
Because whatever you are, whoever you are, we are all equal.
No matter who you are,
No matter what you are.
I see you.
I see you.
I see you. I see you.
I see you.
I see you.